Hey guys, it's Rochelle and I'm here with a Pusheen unboxing. Isn't this so cute? Okay, so we're gonna start with the box. So we have the front has Pusheen's face, her little face, and it has her stripes, and look, there's little sprinkles on top. We have her tail, and this is the best part, her paws on the bottom are so cute. So first, I'm gonna open it up and I'm gonna give you an overview of what's inside. So here we go. I'm gonna let you all see it first. Oh, there it is, guys. So we have our Pusheen box. It says Pusheen, has her right here. And then we have what's inside. Uh-oh, we dropped a piece. So I'm gonna start with the first thing I see. So first thing is this Pusheen card. And it has Pusheen, we have Stormy in the water, and then there's Pip right there. And then I guess that little hamster. And on the back it shows you what you get, but I'm not gonna show y'all what that is. So let's start off with our first item. Let's see. So we have some pencils, or no, these are paper straws with little Pusheens all over them, and it looks like Pusheen's eating some ice cream. And we have a Pusheen unicorn, and we have some rainbows and more ice cream. So that's super cute. What's this? What's next? What is this? We have a Pusheen inflatable beverage float. So that's super cute. So let's blow this up so y'all can see it. This is so cute. This is too cute. Let's see, I'm gonna blow this up real quick, guys. Whew, that was some work. Okay. Oh my god, look how cute this is. So I guess your cup will go right here in a little Pusheen, and you can put it in your pool and it'll be floating with you. That's super cute, guys. So let's see what's next. We have, ooh, I'm excited. Here we go. Put this in. So we have a Pusheen tank top, summer tank top. Super cute. So we have, looks like they're at the beach. We have Pusheen eating some ice cream. We have Stormy eating a popsicle, and we have Pip eating an ice cream sundae. Super cute, guys. I love the two-tone color block on this shirt. Super cute. Let's see what's next. So we have, that's 3 items. Let's see what else. Oh, here we go. So this is the Pusheen vinyl figure for Pusheen Summer Box this year. We're gonna open it up and see what we got. Open it up. Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay. Ooh, that's very loud. And it is Surfing Pusheen. Look how cute he is. I'm sorry. It's Surfing Pusheen. Look how cute she is. Her little tail. And she's got her, I don't know, like this crystal plastic for the water. That's super cute. Alright, so that's 4 items. Let's see what's next. And we have this Pusheen water bottle. And Pusheen, she's eating some ice cream. It has sprinkles all around it. I love this color with the yellow. The only thing I'm really kind of disappointed about with this is that the water bottle is really, really small. Like, it looks bigger on camera, but it's actually really small. Like, look at my hand compared to the bottle. Super small, but it's super cute, right? Okay. Let's put the lid back on. So I have 5 items. Oh my goodness. This is pretty cool, guys. Look, we have a Pusheen fan, and it's a Pusheen desktop USB fan. Okay, so let's open it up. Let's see what it looks like. Let's see what it looks like. Oh. So there's lots of little pieces here. Lots, there's really only 2 pieces, but let's see. So we have our fan, here she is, super cute. And there's these two little pieces. I'm not sure how, it's probably to hold her up or something when you sit on this. And it has a little switch in the back to turn it on and off. And here's a USB, I guess, to power the fan. You can set it on your desk. Super cute. So let's see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Pusheen items. Next thing is, it's a plushie, super cute. So we have a Pusheen plushie, and it is Miss Pusheen here in a inflatable tube. That's super cute. I love this sea green and pink and white pattern going on. Super cute, and she's super soft. Her little whiskers. Yay, it has a little tag on it. It just says Pusheen Box exclusive. Super cute, guys. And we have one more item we have in this box. I'm not sure what it is. We have a picture of, it says mini Pusheen a corn pot. And look how cute she is. There's a little horn and a rainbow tail. Okay, so it says, here's the back of it. It says plant home, hold small items, tea time, and watering pot. So I guess it has 4 different uses for the same item. That's pretty cool. Nice and versatile. So let's open this up. Ooh, this box is, I just messed up the box, but it's got it. Here we go. Let's see what's in here. This, ooh, it's packaged nicely, so that's always good. Ooh, let's open this, see what it is. Ooh, oh my god, it's so cute. Look at the little Pusheen. So she's got her unicorn horn, and then it comes with a little lid. It's a little teapot. Oh my goodness, isn't that so cute? There's a little Pusheen, so that's what it looks like from the front, the side, and then the other side. Super cute, guys. And she has her little feet at the bottom, so it's actually pretty good size. I mean, I don't know about putting tea in this. It's literally like a 1-cup tea pot, but I think I'd put little, like, maybe paper clips or, you know, those mini clothespins and stuff, or stickers or erasers in here. I probably wouldn't use it for tea, but it's super cute. It's gonna sit super cute on my desk. Super cute, guys. So overall, I think this box was a great deal. It does have a hefty price tag of $43.95 per month if you're paying month to month. I think shipping's like $5.95, so it comes out to like $50-ish per season, but it's super cute. I think it's totally worth it if you're totally into Miss Pusheen and her friends Stormy and Pip. So I would recommend buying this box. This was the summer 2018 Pusheen subscription box. I hope you enjoyed it and have a good day. Bye.